To solve this question, we need to follow our order of operations, or our PEMDAS, starting with P, which stands for parentheses. This section right here, let's pull that out by itself. There are multiple operations happening here, so let's take us through PEMDAS again. There are no parentheses, but there is an E for exponents, so let's resolve 3 squared is 3 times 3, or 9. There's no multiplication or division, so we're on to A and S, which is addition and subtraction. 9 minus 6 will give us 3. So now we can plug that back in. We have 4 squared times 3, and that entire set of parentheses was squared, so that will remain, plus negative 1 to the third power. We've done parentheses. Now our next step would be exponents. Let's resolve all 3 of our exponents. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which would be 16. 3 squared, or 3 times 3, would be 9. And then negative 1 cubed would be negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. Be careful here, because whenever we have a negative number raised to an odd exponent, the result is going to be negative, right? Negative times a negative will give us a positive, and then that positive times a negative will turn it back into a negative. So this can be rewritten as 16 times 9. Adding a negative is the same as subtracting a positive, so that's just minus 1. For 16 times 9, you could do it one of 2 ways. You could stack it up vertically. If you like multiplying this way, 9 times 6 will give you 54. 9 times 1 plus 5 would give us 14. So we have 114. The other way you could have done that is you could have split up 16. You could say 9 times 6 and 9 times 10. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 10 is 90. When you add those two numbers together, you will get 144. Then we will subtract 1. There's no multiplication or division left, so now we can move on to the last step of PEMDAS, addition and subtraction. 144 minus 1 will give us 143, making D our correct answer.